Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert multiple images into a single PDF, quickly, easily, and without using any third-party software. So let's get started. Here, I have a few images that I'd like to combine into one PDF file, with each image appearing as its own page. To begin, I'll select all the images that I want to include in the PDF. Once all are highlighted, I'll right-click on the first image in the selection. And this part is important. Always right-click on the first image because Windows will only include that image and the ones that come after it. Anything before that won't be part of the PDF. Next, from the context menu, choose Print. If you're on Windows 11 and don't see it immediately, click on Show More Options. And there it is. Select Print. Now, the Print Pictures window opens up. Here, we'll make a few quick adjustments to set things up properly. Under Printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF, since we're saving the output as a PDF file. Next, we have paper size. This determines the page layout of your images. Mine is A4, so I'll go ahead and select A4. You can choose whichever paper size fits your images best. We'll leave the quality at 600 by 600. Now, if you look below, you'll see navigation controls that let you preview and move through the pages of your selected images, a handy way to double-check the order before saving. And under copies of each picture, I'll leave it as 1. You can also choose to fit picture to frame by toggling that option on or off. I'll keep it turned on so each image fills the page nicely. You'll notice a preview on the right showing how each image will appear on the page. You can even choose to have multiple images per page, like 2 or 4. But for this tutorial, I'll stick with 1 per page to keep things clean. If you want more control, click on Options for additional settings, such as changing the page orientation from Portrait to Landscape. I'll leave mine as Portrait for now. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the Print button. A new window will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose your preferred location, give your PDF a name, and click Save. That's it. You've successfully converted multiple images into a single PDF file, all using built-in Windows tools, no external apps required. Let's open the file to see the result. Perfect. Each image is neatly placed on its own page, just like we wanted. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to combine multiple images into a PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.